The RS500i interior is designed to be reconfigurable, featuring a core mounting board to mount accessories and maximize storage. Accessories included are one universal twin holster for pistols or AR magazines and two barrel mounts with adapters. Each accessory features a magnetic design allowing you to install in place and quickly readjust as needed. When storing rifles, the barrels can rest in the supplied barrel mounts. Use the adapter to extend the mounts off the back wall as needed to make room for scopes and rifle accessories. Additional barrel mounts and adapters can be purchased separately to store additional rifles. To maximize storage space, an extra mounting board accessory is available for the inside of the front door, as well as a full range of accessories for additional firearms and magazines.